Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall WordPress from Hostinger. Once you're inside your Hostinger account, just click on Websites from the top. Then click on this dashboard button next to your website. To uninstall your WordPress from Hostinger, just click on Website from this left side menu and click on Auto Installer. This way you will see all the WordPress installed on this domain. Let's check this WordPress first before uninstall it. As you can see, it is working fine. Now to delete it, just click on this little three dots, then select delete. Make sure to check all these options to remove the database and all the files and hit delete. If you want to undo this process, you can click this undo link. And now my WordPress is successfully deleted. As you can see, it is confirmed that it is uninstalled from Hostinger. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.